Hello, my name is Yuri and welcome to my channel. Today is December 26, 2025, Boxing Day, and we're going to explore downtown Toronto. Currently I'm in a college park, but I'm heading to Yonge-Dundas Square and then to Nathan Phillips Square. I just want to show you how the city looks like on a holiday during a major snowstorm, the beauty of the lights, decorations, people. And right now I'm in a college park looking at IKEA and Aurora. It's a beautiful building. It's a really nice ice rink here. Today it's not very crowded. People just enjoying a holiday. We had a major snowstorm today, but it's not that bad. It's very beautiful outside. The snow is still fresh. And I will head to Yonge-Dundas Square. I want to show you how downtown looks during holidays, during snowstorm. And today we have this combo. It's around 8 p.m. right now. Unlike Christmas, most of the stores are open today. There are still people in coffee shops. I think IKEA is closed for the day, but it was opened earlier. I see lots of people walking with skates. Today it's skatering in College Park. We're almost on Yonge Street. And I'm not sure how it looks today. Hopefully it's not that crowded like it's usually on Friday night. It's still a lot of people. It's a tractor cleaning the snow. Today we have this winter magic when the snow is still fresh. And we didn't have a white Christmas, but we have a white Boxing Day. It's a lot of snow. It's very beautiful. And we're heading to Yonge-Dundas Square or Sankofa Square. Cars are very slow today, and of course they would be. Oh, IKEA is still open. Interesting. And we've reached Yonge-Dundas Square. It's a really beautiful place during this kind of snowstorm. The colors are fantastic. All these advertisements. Really beautiful here. It's a really beautiful day. It's not cold. There is almost no wind. It's -2 maybe. And it's so nice. People are still shopping in Eden Center. I don't know how to describe this vibe. It's like a cyberpunk movie. I don't know, maybe a Blade Runner. Locals try to avoid this place. I know why, but there are no people here. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. It's more people than in the rest of the city, in the rest of the downtown, which is almost empty right now. It's not surprising, especially given how much snow we get today. And we will go to Nathan Phillips Square now. to see the ice rink there and how beautiful everything is there. And I expected more snow on sidewalks today, but downtown is pretty walkable today, so I'm pretty happy with how clean everything is. There are lots of spots where it's not clean, but I can't complain. If you need to go to walk on some major street like Dundas or Bloor, everything is clean. Everything is clean. Lots of people shopping today. Today is Boxing Day. Lots of discounts. Lots of discounts, so you can see people walking with shopping bags from Eaton Center, from clothing stores. Lots of people going from there with Canadian Tire bags. So I guess the deals are good today. And you can see snow cleaners everywhere. It's very comfortable weather to walk today. It's the only problem is my hand is freezing because I don't have glass and I'm holding the camera, but everything else is fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful day. I think businesses are pretty frustrated today because it's one of the major shopping day for Canadians, and with this weather I would sit at home and not go anywhere. Especially walking is fine, but driving, absolutely not. Absolutely nuts. Okay, we reached Bay Street and let's go to the City Hall. The sky is clean right now compared to this morning. I like this skyscraper view during this weather and our beautiful City Hall. I didn't really like this building before, but right now it feels unique. Let's put it this way. Unique, like a UFO. We've reached Marriott. It's pretty busy. I expected much less people today. There are still a lot because the first video I recorded today was in Yorkville. It was empty. There were no people at all. But can't say the same about Yonge-Dundas area. It's a Boxing Day, so lots of people shopping today. But I expected it to be less people. Oops. Need to be careful with cars today. Beautiful view on downtown. I love it. I hope it's bright enough for camera to show all the beauty of this part of the city. And Nathan Phillips Square is just around the corner. Just need to cross the street and we're there. There is a lot of construction there, but we should see the ice rink. And a beautiful Nathan Phillips Square with its beautiful ice rink. It's crowded, lots of people here just skating, and it's very loud. It's pretty windy here. It's a lot of people here today. You can rent skates in a booth there if you don't have yours, or you can skate there with your own. It's free. It's cavalcade of lights happening here today, or I think this week. And our famous Toronto Christmas tree. It's pretty out here. The colors. I like the lights on the building. It looks really nice and futuristic. And this is now closed, but it was open to the public a few days ago. I walked here. It's nice out here. Lots of people here. Oh my god, it's crowded. I'm very bad at skating, so I don't think I would be able to skate here. But it looks gorgeous. All these people. This Toronto side. Sorry, sign. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please keep like and subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you again. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year.